Hello, I'm Alan Smith, President and CEO of the Greater Greer Chamber of Commerce, and you are again watching an edition of President's Patrol. As you can see, we're at 420 East Park Avenue in downtown Greenville, and we're here at Aflac. We're all familiar with the Aflac commercials, but it's good to put a local face with such a big national company. And we're going to go inside and see Terry and Karen and talk to them about all the things that Aflac has to offer you. Let's go inside. Hey ladies.
Hey.
How are you?
Good.
Good to see you.
You too.
Congratulations, y'all are part of the President's Patrol.
Oh,
As a
thanks.
member of the Greater Greer Chamber of Commerce, this is your opportunity to look into the camera and tell all the folks what Aflac is doing for them or can do for them. So, Karen, we'll start with you.
Well, hey, Aflac, it's voluntary insurance. It's different than major medical. It's different than anything out there. It's totally optional. It's insurance for daily living. If you need your job, you need Aflac in the case of a catastrophic accident or illness to help pay the policyholder while they're out. While major medical takes care of everything else, we're there to help you keep the lights on, keep the roof over your head. Did I miss anything?
Exactly, keep food on the table. Basically, you can cover your kids, you can cover yourself, you can cover your spouse, you can cover pretty much everybody. So we're there to help you out in case your child has a major illness. The mom and dad are both going to be out of work. There might be two incomes missing. How's the power bill going to get paid? How's the mortgage going to get paid? So basically, we're there to give you money that you can use for anything.
And one thing I've always liked about the company, and one thing you all do, is really break it down into weekly installments. I mean, insurance can be affordable, and it's something that people should make a priority. So you all do a good job of that. Another thing that you all do a good job of is Aflac is such a big, major national brand. These are your local faces here.
We're there for you. We are local. We're here to help. But we also have such a major national name to back us up. So.
Another thing good about us too is we file your claims for you. You don't have to worry about calling an 800 number. Seems so far away, kind of, and detached if you have to call an 800 number. We're here. We're your local reps. We're the ones that you talk to if you have a claim. We're the ones that helps you. We file your claim, we follow it through, and we make sure you get paid.
So again, we're at Aflac. You can find them at 420 East Park Avenue in downtown Greenville or at GreerChamber.com. Thanks for watching.